governments. And let's move ahead now, viewers. Now we have latest visuals coming in from Maharashtra's Vasai-Virar, where a tin sheet was blown by strong winds and it fell on a woman. The visuals are on your screens, viewers. These CCTV images are from around 6:30 p.m. on July 5. Amidst torrential rain, a woman named Deepa Amit Dhinoja was walking alongside the footpath on her way to work when suddenly a tin shed installed on the roof of a nearby Gokul Dwar building was blown off by strong winds. Large section of the dislodged tin shed fell directly onto the woman's head and body, causing serious injuries. She sustained a deep head wound that approximately required 20 to 22 stitches. These are the details that we have from the Mumbai monsoon. Shocking visuals coming in, how strong winds have caused the tin shed to collapse and hit a woman. She was injured severely and has received multiple stitches. Rumi is joining us on this.
Yes, Kriti, well, these visuals on our screens are from Maharashtra's Vasai-Virar area, where you can see amid incessant downpour, a part of a shed falls on a woman's head. They were treading carefully on the footpath. Of course, they're walking with umbrellas on their heads. This is right when a part of a shed, due to what's being reported, strong winds, fell on the woman's head. She, of course, was injured gravely in the incident, but she got away with stitches. The man behind her as well, you can see them both being alerted after it fell, which of course points out to the fact that there were no cracks or being heard before the incident occurred, and it was very sudden. What also you can see is they had no option but to walk from that side of the road because of the waterlogging in the area, and despite the fact that they could have been saved if they walked on the road instead. Another biker also you see in fact moving away from it right before the incident happens, carefully, unknowingly saving himself from the incident. Yes.
All right, Rumi, thank you for the details. Viewers, let's move ahead now. The Mumbai police